Hello everybody and welcome back to another Cash Stuffing Sunday. How are you all getting on? It's so good to be back. We are now coming into the second week of January 2024. I hope you all had a great new year and a great Christmas. We're now officially over that season, so it's time to get back to brass tacks and start saving money and start planning for the future of this year. So guys, if you're new to my channel, hi, how are you? So welcome back to the madhouse that is my channel. My name is Marthala Carrick, and on my channel we budget, we garden, we do a bit of makeup, all while trying to live our best lives. So grab yourself a cup of tea or whatever is your preference and let's stuff some money honey. So as always, our budget at the minute is $250. I am thinking of upping it because I am getting more hours at work. So my plan is to try and bring the $250 up to $300 because I could really do with the $300 this, like, to be earning £300 every week is my goal, just so that I can do a little bit more with it than I am able to do at the minute, because I have other things that I want to pay for, things I want to do. So without further ado, let's start counting. So we have 2 fivers, that's a tenner. That's going in there. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and the 2 fives is 70. 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 92, 210, 220, 30, 240 and 250 smackerinos. And that is it. In they go. Right, first off, as always, is the pink binder where we stuff all our normal stuff. Now I haven't gone mad food shopping this week because all I spent was a tenner just getting like milk, bread and a few fruit and veg and stuff, because, well, we've had so much food over Christmas it's kind of done us, to be honest. So I'm still going to put in 50 though, because, you know, it's needed. So that one is done. So we're on this list here. So let's put in, what am I putting in now for food? 50 is still going into food. So I mean 50, you kind of always need 50. It's better to be over prepared than under. I will have to go to the shops this week because I am running out of a few bits and bobs. And I got these little things from Tesco's, so I may as well use them as well. You know, anything to get keep the bills down. So as I said to you before, on the council tax, the bill is all paid up, it's all ready to go. But to keep it that way, I want to go in with a little bit excess going into the new year, and especially when the bill starts coming back in, like, I think it comes out like the end of March, start of April area. When it's doing that, I usually have a big lump sum paid off it. So I do have putting in 40 this week, just to keep her in the clear. Now, childcare, as always, is getting 50, and I have to pay that this week, so that's one of the standards. Okie dokie. So that's council tax. Oh, I need to take out 35. We're just going to take out 35 and put that to one side, because that's going into my challenge. Argos is getting 20. Where is Monsieur Agus? He's getting 20. That bill is coming up now in March, so I'd like to have that fairly cleared by the time that comes around. 25 is going into music and sport. I am trying my best to keep ahead of this one at the minute, so we're just going to put in 30, put that fiver back. Okie dokie. What else have we got? House insurance and Xmas. Right, so it says here that I was supposed to put in house insurance and Xmas is going into the sinking funds, but I want to start paying off a bit of the water, which I got the bill for this week and it was astounding. So I'm not going to put money in for the house. I'm going to put this 20 quid in for the water so that I can pay that off, because that bill hit me harder than I thought it was gonna. And I'm going to put the £10 in for fuel. And we're not going to be doing any sinking funds this week apart from the challenge, and that is just because that challenge needs to get done. Oh yeah, I've also added a new one, which is gas and lecky, gas and electricity basically. And I'm going to start, that's why I kind of want to bring the bills, my earnings up, because the longer hours I work, obviously the more money you make. So there you have it. Now into the sinking fund, there's only one sinking fund, and we are doing the challenge. So I'm putting 35 in. Where are we at? 35. There we go. Don't forget to update your penny saving tracker if you are doing it on a tracker. I shall put up the link to the one I use. It's free on the old Google, so it doesn't take anything. So I should have a decent amount. Let me see. So 45, 35, 35, 25, 10, 5, 25, 10, 25. I need to actually put this into my tracker and see where I'm at. Because that looks pretty decent. I need to get £600 to fix the car door. Some lovely Aegis decided on the widest part of the road possible to bang into the side of my door. Like, honest to God, like you couldn't make it up, honestly. But anyway, so we are doing the penny saving challenge as well this year. Not as big as I did last year. I haven't done 2 pages, I've only done 1, so we're keeping it minimal. And yeah, let's see how we get on. So we have £1.50, 60, 70, 80, £1.85. Shit, that's grand. We have that one. Don't forget to do your penny saving tracker with that as well. I decided this year not to go as ham as I did last year because it was just unattainable. Like, I don't always have an abundance of change. So yeah, that's where we're at. So folks, thank you so much for watching today's Cash Stuffing Sunday. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do all the YouTubey things. As always, I love having you here and having the chats in the comments. God, you are great for the chats in the comments. And guys, don't forget, we have Makeup Monday, Vlog on Friday, and Cash Stuffing Sunday. They're the 3 staples that are going to be going forward with my channel. And then after that, it will just be as and when, if I see something out and about, I shall let you know of all the bargains that I find and all that kind of jazz. So I'm going to love yous and leave yous. Have a great week. Don't spend too much and keep to your budgets. Lots of love. Bye. Mwah.